Greetings, students. I am the student teacher, and today we will learn the difference between an isosceles triangle, a scalene triangle, and an equilateral triangle. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you will understand what makes each triangle special, and you can identify them if you see them in problems or equations or anything. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Okay, let's start off with the isosceles triangle. So the rules of an isosceles triangle is that two sides need to be of the same length. So two sides, same length. And two angles have to have the same degree. Okay, so the triangle I drew, the two sides that have the same length are this one and this one. And the two angles that have the same degree are this one and this one. It's okay for a triangle to be isosceles and have an angle or a side that doesn't equal the other ones. That's okay, as long as at least two sides or two angles are the same. Two sides and two angles are the same. That makes an isosceles. Okay, now let's talk about a scalene triangle. So some of the rules that a scalene triangle has to follow is that none of the sides need to be equal to each other. So no sides equal. And none of the angles have to be equal. So even if two of the sides are equal to each other, it automatically becomes an isosceles triangle. As for a scalene triangle to occur, no sides need to be equal and no angles have to be equal. So in the triangle I drew, this side is one of a kind, this side is one of a kind, and this side is one of a kind. And this angle is one of a kind, this angle is one of a kind, and this angle is one of a kind. So it satisfies the equation. The final triangle we're going to talk about is an equilateral triangle. So some of the rules for an equilateral triangle are that all sides need to be equal. Sides equal. And all angles need to be equal. All. So, in the triangle I drew, this side is equal to this side, and both of these are equal to this side. And this angle is equal to this angle, and both of these are equal to this angle. So, yeah, all the sides are equal, and all the angles are equal. So, yeah, for an equilateral triangle happen, all sides need to be equal, and all angles need to be equal. So, yeah, that's it. You have learned the difference between an isosceles, scalene, and equilateral triangle. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments or email them to me. My email will be in the description. So yeah, if you want me to review or go over anything math, science, or reading related, please email it to me or leave it in the comments below. So yeah, thanks you so much for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.